हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम साइंस का लेसन सेकेंड प्लांट स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शन इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स देखेंगे। इसके पहले मैं आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहती हूँ कि यदि आपको मेरा पढ़ाना अच्छा लगता है तो आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इन वीडियोस को शेयर कीजिए ताकि सारे बच्चों का फ़ायदा हो सके। चलिए अब हम क्वेश्चन आंसर्स देखते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, गिव एग्जांपल्स ऑफ 3 प्लांट्स दैट हैव स्पाइनी फ्रूट्स। तो इसमें हम 3 प्लांट्स के हमें एग्जांपल देना है स्पाइनी फ्रूट्स वाले। तो आंसर इज दतूरा, जैक फ्रूट एंड ब्लैक मलबरी। सेकेंड है स्पाइनी स्टेम। स्पाइनी स्टेम किसके होते हैं? तो सागो पाम, कैक्टस, रोज़। नेक्स्ट है रेड फ्लावर्स। रेड फ्लावर्स किस में होते हैं? तो हिबिस्कस, रोज, एरिथ्रीना। नेक्स्ट है येलो फ्लावर्स। येलो फ्लावर्स आर, उसका एग्जांपल्स है सनफ्लावर, येलो रोज, येलो कैना। नेक्स्ट है लीव्स विच क्लोज एट नाइट। तो आंसर इज ट्यूलिप, गुलमोहर, आंवला। Next is single seeded fruits. Boar, jamun, mango. Many seeded fruits, guava, watermelon, apple. Next question. What are the similarities and differences between? हमें सिमिलैरिटी और डिफरेंस बताना है ज्वार एंड मूंग में। तो पहले हम सिमिलैरिटी बताएंगे कि बोथ आर यूज्ड एज फूड स्टफ। ज्वार एंड मूंग बोथ आर फूड स्टफ्स। एंड नाउ डिफरेंसेस यहाँ दिए हैं ज्वार एंड मूंग। तो पहले हम ज्वार का देखेंगे। इट इज़ मोनोकोटिलेडोनस प्लांट। मूंग, it is dicotyledonous plant. Second, jowar, it contains carbohydrates. Moong, it contains proteins. Third, jowar, its crops be seen in cobs. Moong, it seems in legumes. Next, onion and coriander. सो फर्स्ट हम इसकी सिमिलैरिटीज़ देखेंगे। बोथ आर ईटन इन रॉ फॉर्म। दे आर यूज्ड इन सैलेड, इन कुक्ड वेजिटेबल्स ऑल्सो। नाउ डिफरेंसेस, ऑनियन एंड कोरिएंडर। सी फर्स्ट डिफरेंस, ऑनियन इज मोनोकोटिलेडोनस प्लांट, कोरिएंडर इज डाइकोटिलेडोनस प्लांट। सेकेंड, in onion, it is grown from seed or bulb. Coriander, it is grown from seeds. Onion, its seeds, bulbs, leaves are used in foodstuffs. And in coriander, its seeds and leaves are used in foodstuffs. Next, leaves of banana and mango. First, we will see the similarities. Both of these leaves have religious values. They are used in puja. Now differences, leaves of banana and leaves of mango. First, leaves in banana. In these leaves, the veins run parallel to each other. And in mango, in these leaves, the veins form a network or reticulum. Second, in banana leaves, it is monocotyledonous plant. And in mango leaves, it is dicotyledonous plant. Next is coconut tree and jowar stalk plant. See the similarities. Both are monocotyledonous plant. Here the difference is given. In coconut tree, it is tall tree, and jowar stalk plant, it is not tall, but it is found in crop form. Second, in coconut, it grows and lives for many years. In jar, after cultivation, it does not remain, means it does not live for long time. Next question. Explain in following images in your own words. See here, the two figures are given, A and B. So we know that the figure A is the figure of the seed of maize, and in figure B the bean seed is given. So we will let us explain it. Let us see the explanation. In figure A, seed of maize is shown. It is monocotyledonous seed. The radicle and plumule is seen inside it. In figure B, seed of bean is shown. It is dicotyledonous seed. The radicle and plumule are seen in a part at upper side. Next, describe the functions of various parts of plant. Answer: the various parts of plants are root, stem, leaves, flowers and fruit. Function of roots are as follows. First, anchoring and supporting the plant. Second, absorption of water and minerals. Third, some roots show some modifications to perform these additional functions. Such modified roots are aerial roots, stilt roots, runners, breathing roots, etc. Now, leaves. The function of leaves are produce food with the help of photosynthesis. Second, give out excess water. Third, additional functions such as store food. Next, flowers. The function of flower is reproduction. So, reproduction is the main function of flowers. Now, fruits. The function of fruits: first, protect the seeds and store the food materials. Next question. Certain properties are mentioned below. Find a leaf corresponding to each property and describe those plants. So, we have to describe about the leaves of certain plants. So, first, leaves with smooth surface. So, smooth surface wali leaves, Sadabahar or periwinkle. The leaf of Sadabahar or periwinkle plant is smooth. Its color is dark green. The flowers are found in different colors. These plants bear flowers for whole year. Fleshy leaf. Aloe vera. The leaf of aloe vera is thick and fleshy. Some varieties showing white flecks on their upper and lower stem surfaces. This leaf is used for medicinal purpose. Next, leaves with rough surface. Leaves with rough surface are found in Parijat or night jasmine. The flowers of Parijat blooms at night. It has beautiful fragrance. It is a medicinal tree. Next, spines on leaf. Leaf of porcupine tomato have spine on leaf. This plant is found in the island of Western Indian Ocean. This plant contains various toxic. So here are your question answers.